The person you choose as your life partner will affect your faith, will affect your family, will affect your finances, will affect your fitness, will affect your joy, will affect your outlook, will affect your spirituality, will affect your path. I didn't realize that when I was younger, but someone said the most important decision you make in life is your life partner.
Whoa.
And after being with Ken for 30 years, I know what it's like to pick a bad life partner. And I know what it's like to pick a good life partner. So in this moment, I would say your life partner.
Good day, everyone. This is Abiodun, and this is Eating Pain as well. It's good to have you here once again. So there's this pastor that I follow on Instagram. It's called Dr. Shola. He has quite a lot of followers who send in their marital situation to him, and I feel like reacting to some of them. And here is one of them today. There's a lady that wrote to him saying that it is so hard for me to keep quiet. Every time I read the stories on your page, I cry. I am a pastor's wife. We run a church of about 200 members here in the US. I moved to marry my husband from the UK. But something damaged our marriage. He's sleeping with many church members so they can pay tithes and give donations. You know, I used to say that many of these churches are just business centers. They're just business centers. They're not really places of worship. Imagine him sleeping with many church members so they can pay tithes and give donations, especially the married women. I tell people, look, there is nobody that needs to be trusted. Married women these days are even the ones in the cheating business the most. Married women, you quote me anywhere. They are the ones in the cheating business the most. Let's continue. I won't have an issue if he does the single or single mothers. I forgave him many times after explaining the why. In the first place, is he supposed to even be cheating at all? A pastor? You know, is he supposed to even be sleeping with anyone in the first place? Talk less of sleeping with married men, married women, single or single mothers. He's not supposed to be cheating at all. He's a pastor. He's supposed to be a revered man of God, someone that the church members are supposed to be looking up to. The men on the pulpit are, seen to be people who are, holy. They are called men of God. They are seen to be closer to God, but he's busy sleeping around. I forgave him many times after explaining the why. He was given a target. So, like I said, she said she forgave him many times after explaining the why. That means the pastor was given a target, like I used to say that churches are business centers. The pastor was given a target to meet. That means he must bring a certain amount of money to the headquarters of that church, wherever the church is. And I'm sure it's the Nigerian church. But one day he came home and said the husband of one of the ladies found out, and he was coming to church on Sunday to mess him up. Pastor is afraid. I was sent to the man to discuss with him. That means the pastor sent his wife to discuss with him. The man cried and expressed his love for his wife and how my husband ruined him. See, this marriage thing, oh my God. we need to, it's important to just marry your friend. Let me just put it like that. It is very important to just marry your friend. Once you marry your friend, I think you will be, all of this will not, come up. If you marry your friend will definitely not cheat. Now, the wife of the man, has ruined the man. The man cried and expressed his love for his wife and how my husband ruined him. So I opened up. The pastor's wife opened up. So I opened up and let him know how I felt too and how my marriage was a joke. Imagine. Pastor's wife is just in the marriage because she knows the marriage is a joke. She's probably there so that she'll keep pleasing people. She doesn't want, people to probably, make a mess of her husband, or even joke, about her, saying that she's a divorcee. The man advised me not to leave my marriage because he won't leave his, and he would deal with the pain and not show up at the church anymore. Can you imagine? This is what so many men are going through. A lot of people, even women, are going through it. It's not just men. Women are going through it as well. People are in their marriage because of what people will say, because of what people will think, because of pleasing people. The man advised me not to leave my marriage because he wouldn't leave his, but he would deal with the pain and not show up at the church anymore. Who goes to church these days? Churches are business centers. Dr. Shola, is this how ministry is? Madam is asking question. Is this how ministry is? Madam, this is not how ministry is. Those men, they call themselves. God did not call them. They are not men of God. They are called by themselves. They are business centers. Imagine destroying homes to hit monetary targets. You are destroying homes, destroying families as a pastor to hit monetary targets. That is how desperate those churches in Nigeria are. Just to meet financial targets, to exploit people of their money, their hard-earned money. Ministry is not like this, though. The church is not like, the real church of God is not like this. My sister, you married to a businessman who is working for an headquarters somewhere in Africa, I'm sure. Dr. Shola, is this how ministry is? How is your wife coping? maybe Dr. Shola has a business center. Who knows? Dr. Shola, do you have business center? Are you also a businessman? The woman is asking you, do you have to meet the targets too? I'm sorry to ask, but I am confused and fed up. My dear sister, it is well with your ministry. The Lord will strengthen you. So my people, can you see? I used to say it that most of these churches are business centers, Now, this person, just because they want to hit a financial, targets, they're destroying homes and sleeping with people's wives and just to meet financial, financial targets and financial obligation. So disgusting. I'll be bringing a lot of the Dr. Shola's post because I'll be reacting to them now and let people know how, how churches are business centers, how families are being ruined, how relationships are being destroyed. Thank you very much, everybody. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until the next video, shout out to all of you. Thank you. Bye.